When setting up the 3VKF knee mill, wired for 415 volts 3-phase, we connect the incoming power to the cable from the electrical box. After the connections have been made, we can turn on our main switch and our MillPwr switch. After releasing the e-stop, RPM display will turn on. RPM adjustment, spindle forward reverse, coolant on off. The range for high gear is 0 to 4500. And the range for low gear is 0 to 550. After turning on the MillPwr system, the first thing we need to do is make sure we have enough travel on all 3 axes. Now we release the table stop and we press find home. After the machine has been homed, all travel limits are set. To find the datum of any given workpiece, we could touch off on the edges with an edge finder, or we could teach a position. We're going to teach a position in the center of our workpiece. We press the datum key. X equals 0, Y equals 0. Then we press use. And we can see that X and Y are now 0. Next, we're going to find our part 0. What we're going to do is bring our tool to touch off on the piece. Once it touches, we're going to go back to our datum and press Z equals 0. Use. To make a pocket program, we first must be under program mode. Press program. First thing we do is designate our tool. Press tool, give it a diameter. It's going to be 3/8.375, and we press enter. We are not going to give it a length since we already gave it a length under datum. We press use. Next step, we press rectangle. After we press rectangle, on the bottom we have soft keys and we press pocket key. We're going to fill out this information. It's asking us for our first corner. Our pocket is going to be 1.5 by 4. First corner, 0.75 negative. Second corner, 2 negative. The size, 1.5 by 4. Automatically puts in its own information. Our Z depth information. We're going to begin at 0.1, 0.01. And we're going to end 1/2 inch negative. We're going to do it in 2 passes with a feed of 30. Press use. Under run options, we can check our program, graphics only, and dry run. If our simulation is as intended, then we can proceed with the actual machining. we could turn on our spindle. Now we remove dry run and graphics only. We scroll up to number 1 position. Release the table stop and press go. Now we press table stop and we can inspect our finished workpiece.